Hey, today we're going to make a needle burnisher, which is really handy for setting stones in flush mounts or small bezels. In order to make a needle burnisher, you're going to need a handle, which you can order from most jewelry supply houses, an old broken burr or drill bit, and some way to sand it down and polish it. The way I like to do these is I just put these in these handles and I leave them. I don't try to change them out. So I have a variety of these in different shapes and profiles for whatever task I'm going to be doing. So I just take these and I take the sharper end of the old burr and just tap it into the handle. Just like a nail. And in fact, you can actually use a nail for this if you don't have any old broken bits. Once we've done that, we just need to shape this end profile into what I'm going to describe to be a bullet-like shape. I'm going to go ahead and using this 120 grit sanding wheel, shape the end of mine down. The other nice thing about having a handle attached at this point is it gives you something to hold on to. So after the 120 grit, I went into 240 and then 320, and now I'm just using a rubberized polishing wheel to put the last little bit of polish here and round off the end. So here we are. There's a little bit of grit in there, some dust, but remember that the polish that you have at the end of the burnisher is going to match the polish that it imparts on the metal that you're working with. The size of the end that you want to put on there is going to depend on the size of the stone that you're working on. This one has a very small tip, so it would be great for flush setting stones of about 1 millimeter to maybe 1.5 millimeter, whereas my larger one here is fantastic for stones of maybe about 1.5 millimeter up to 3 or 4 millimeter.
I like to use needle nose burnishers for flush setting gemstones like this. It's a really important tool for the last stage where you're going to be burnishing the edge of the metal around the stone.